Hello all, welcome back to our channel. As a life science student, you already know what happens in clinical trials. You have studied the science, you understand how drugs are tested before approval. What most students don't realize is this. There is a field that is concerned with what happens after a medicine is approved. The people working here focus entirely on making sure those medicines remain safe when they reach real patients. This field is called pharmacovigilance, and the professionals working are commonly called as drug safety professionals. So when a medicine is approved by regulators, what does it really mean? Let me explain that very simply. It's based on the data submitted at the time of review. The medicine's benefits outweigh its known risks for a specific use in a defined population when used exactly as approved. There could be many loopholes. What are they? New side effects appear in general population. Different people react differently to the same drugs. Long-term use reveals new risks. Drug interactions cause unexpected harm. Dosing and usage differ outside trials. Manufacturing or quality issues can emerge. Certain groups might be underrepresented in trials, like pregnant women, children, or even elderly patients. So when a medicine enters the market, it brings two things at the same time: hope, risk. Hope because it treats disease. Risk because it will now be used by real people in real life situation. Now the medicine will be used by different age groups with different health conditions in combination with other medicines at home without the strict controls of clinical trials. At this stage, scientists and safety teams begin to see clearly whether any unexpected problems are emerging. This is where the pharmacovigilance professionals maintain this balance between hope and risk. So they are the first to detect early warning signs before problems escalate and are the ones whose decisions can make a huge impact on general public health. So monitoring this phase is the core responsibility of pharmacovigilance, and it being a structured safety process that continuously tracks medicines' safety after approval. When these approved medicines are used in the real world, patients, doctors, and pharmacies can report side effects. These side effects, instantly reported, are called spontaneous reporting. During this stage, just a suspicion about a side effect is enough. It need not to be proved. And these reportings are called ICSRs. What do these reports include? The basic patient details, the side effects, when the medicine was taken, when the reaction occurred, all these basic details. So this information is submitted through online safety forms, hospital systems, or even there is a national drug safety portal for pharmaceutical companies and regulators. So once pharmacovigilance team get these data, they systematically look for patterns in it, assess how serious the risk is, and then decide whether action is required or not. What kind of actions you might think? Actions like updating drug labels, issuing new warnings to doctors, or changing dosage guidelines, or in some cases, if it's worse, restricting the medicine's use altogether. And this is only one part of pharmacovigilance. The role also includes risk assessment, trend analysis, regulatory communication, and safety-based decision making. If any part of this work goes wrong, the risk does not remain limited to patients alone. Incorrect safety decisions can lead to regulatory action, heavy financial penalties, delayed approvals, drug withdrawals, and the biggest loss, the loss of trust. That is why pharmacovigilance is not just a compliance role, but a business critical function for pharmaceutical companies. The work is not highly visible, but its impact is real, large scale, and global. Today, pharmaceutical industry operates under three unavoidable realities. First, medicines are now launched globally, not locally. A single drug may be used simultaneously across US, Europe, Asia, and emerging markets like India. This means one safety issue can become a global issue. Second, regulators are stricter than ever. Authorities such as the US FDA, EMA, MHRA, and WHO no longer accept reactive safety measures. They demand continuous proof of active safety monitoring. Non-compliance does not just result in warnings, it leads to inspections, penalties, delayed approvals, and reputational damage. Safety timelines are becoming shorter. Companies are approving and launching medicines faster, so treatments can reach patients sooner. This means more medicines are entering the market in a shorter time, and their product life cycle are much shorter than before. Under this pressure, companies are expected to detect risks early, assess them quickly, and take decisive safety actions without delay. As a result, safety monitoring can no longer be slow or reactive. Pharmacovigilance must operate in real time and play a proactive role. As life science students, you must know there is a huge demand for pharmacovigilance professionals in India. Why? Here are two reasons. First, global pharmaceutical companies are expanding their safety operations here in India. Second point, India has become a global hub for pharmacovigilance outsourcing. Now, you might be witnessing this. There is a huge demand for pharmacovigilance professionals, but at the same time, there is a clear shortage for industry-ready talent. Now, which is why trained professionals are in high demand. So speaking on the hiring side, when we interacted with industries, this is what we found out. So today's life sciences graduates lack global safety understanding, exposure to international regulations, and experience with real-world safety scenarios. Because of this gap, companies are aggressively investing in pharmacovigilance talent, especially in global delivery hubs like in India. As you know, your curriculum is not designed to give you this exposure. At CliniLaunch, we offer courses that are in line with industry needs. So we also conduct free masterclasses where you can join and learn more about careers in life sciences domain. If you like this video, drop us a thumbs up. Please do subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell to receive life science career updates. Thank you so much. See you on the next one.
Visit us today, www.CliniLaunchResearch.in.